Hi viewers, welcome to Deva channel. I am Dr. D. Sahadevudu, lecturer in history, Government Degree College, Uruvakonda, a motivational trainer. Today, we wish to discuss on why we are living in past, present, future. These are the time spaces. Past, past is past, but so many individuals are living in the past. Why? What is past? First of all, we have to know why they are living, what are the conditions that happened to them to live in the past, as well as is there any remedies to overcome these past feelings. First of all, every individual they have poured information throughout the nook and corner of the world, north, east, west, south. We are living in the information world. So, from this information world, we are having so much information poured in our mind. In the same way, the past incidents, events, feelings, expressions, success, failures, persons, places, all activities are inbuilt in the past memory. Human mind divided into three categories. One is subconsciousness, consciousness, unconsciousness. So consciousness belongs to the present conditions. Subconsciousness mixed with the future as well as past events. Unconsciousness deals with the all of the past events. They are floating in our mind. So many individuals, though they are living in present, they are unable to cope up with the present conditions because of the past feelings. So that is the past events. Coming to the what are the main reasons to live in the past conditions is he is accepting the past but not accepting the present as well as future. He is acknowledging the past but not acknowledged to the present as well as to the future conditions. He is satisfied in the past but not satisfied in the present. So his mind is dwelling from past to present. He will not move to the future progress. That is the main factor to live in the past. But in the present scenario, in the fast changing scenario, we have to live in the present. We can't erase the past. We can't delete the past. We can't rewind the past. We can't stop the past. Past is a corpse. If you weigh that corpse, it will weight overload to your mind. No problem. You have to delete the past memories which will makes a negative vibration to your mind. We can't permanently delete all the past. It is not possible. It is impossible. Why? Because if we delete all the programs of the past, we will become blank. It is not possible. Here, those files we are seeing in the system. If the system, that computer, becomes very slow, why? Because they are running so many programs at background. In the same way, if you run so many past programs in your mind, you cannot move fast in the present. That's why you have to leave your past vibrations, negative vibrations, which are obstacle to your future as well as present. So, dear viewers, so many individuals are living in the past because they are attracted by, they are caught by their satisfactory levels as well as their feelings, persons, as well as places that may be failures or success. They are accepting the past. That's why they are feeling comfortable in that past events. But it is not good. We have to live in present, which will show light to the future. So once you understand the present conditions, your senses of organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, all these senses of organs are controlled by the sixth sense. The sixth sense is controlled by the past, then we will live in the past. That is the main factor. So when we have to eradicate to live in the past, we must keep our files, past events, in separate programs. When we are seeing in the system, just we are scrapping all the past files which are not used, which is unimportant, we kept separately. In the same way, those programs, those files are not usable, they are deleted. Again, which are not usable permanently, we are shift deleting. We are using that option. In the same way, our past events, which are making negative vibrations to our progress, we have to delete it permanently. Which are usable for our future, make it trigger. So, diary writing is one of the good habit to keep out of this past living. Dear viewers, we can't undo the past. We can't change or alter the past. We can't remove permanently the past. But we have to learn from the past events. So, dear viewers, do not live permanently in the past. It is one of the psychological disorder